Ankita travels 14 kilometers to her house, partly by rickshaw and partly by bus. So this has to do with travel problem. The funda, let me read the question first though. 14 kilometers and she's taking rickshaw and bus. Okay. She takes half an hour if she travels 2 kilometers by rickshaw and the remaining distance by bus. On the other hand, if she travels 4 kilometers by rickshaw and the remaining by bus, she takes 9 minutes longer. Find the speed of rickshaw and that of the bus. So how should we go about doing this? Please have a look at this. Right? Any journey question, we'll have to talk about the distance, the time, okay, and relate the total time with the time taken for the first half of the journey and the second half of the journey. This is the funda. So we have to begin with let the speed of rickshaw be x, or if you want to go with r or something, and that of bus be b. Okay, now on to the diagram. So I increase diagram, you guys know that. So what we have here is few kilometers she travels by rickshaw and the remaining by bus. So that is first, in total it's 14 kilometers. So first 2 kilometers means this is 2 kilometer and this would be 12 kilometer. Okay, and then we have the total time is, how much is the total time? Half an hour. So time t1, oh I have to take it as case 1. Guys, there are two cases, is it not? So this is case 1. So time here is 30 minutes in total. Remember the total journey. Okay, the total time taken, you can call it as TT. Total time for the first case is 30 minutes, right? And this would be r kilometers per hour and this would be at a speed of b kilometers per hour. And similarly we have the case 2. I could have done a better job actually, not very happy with how I've written. Looks a bit congested for me. Yeah, that would be better. Case 2 would be something like this. We have the total distance to be 14, but here in place of 2 kilometers we have 4 kilometers, so the remaining will be 10 kilometers. So this is 4 kilometer, this would be 10 kilometer, and the total time is for case 2 would be 39 minutes. Okay, or we should convert it to hours actually. So this is half an hour and this is 39 by 60. Can we reduce this? We can, right? 13 by 20 hour. Okay, this is the total time for the case 2, right guys? And now on to writing the equation, the working. So what is the formula we have to use? Speed is equal to distance by time, or time is equal to distance by speed. Agree? So case 1 we have total time is equal to time that she spent on the rickshaw, I guess, in the rickshaw, not on, and in the bus. So total time is half an hour, and here we have distance traveled by her in rickshaw is 2 and the speed is r, and we have over here 12 by b. Okay, that's not our first equation, it is closer to, we're getting closer to the equation. So case 2 would be total time in case 2 is time for the rickshaw in case 2, these are 1 and 1, plus time in the bus in case 2. Agree? So let me actually change this off. Okay, now everything is clear. So we have total time is 39, that is 13 by 20 is equal to, this is 4 by r plus 10 by b. Now let a be equal to 1 by r, or you can go with x. X is equal to 1 by r and y is equal to 1 by b. Why is that we are doing this? This equations, they're not in their linear form. So we have to convert to linear form and then solve it. And now we have, right, now we have the final step, that is 1 by 2 or 2x plus 12y is equal to 1 by 2, and we have 4x plus 10y is equal to 13 by 20. Okay, some kind of familiarity with what questions we see. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. What should we do with them? So we are looking at equation 2 minus 1 time of equation 1 into 2. Equation 2 minus equation 1 into 2. Okay, this is what we have to do, right? Correct? Agree? Okay, on to writing the equations. So we have 4x plus 10y is equal to 13 by 20, and then we have minus 4x, actually let me convert it properly for you guys, plus 24y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 is 1. Agree? So all we have to do is change the sign. And this gets cancelled, and this is minus 14y, and this is 13 by 20 minus 1. So LCM is 20 over here. 13 minus 20 is 7 by 20. So minus 14y is equal to minus 7 by 20. And all we have to do is divide with minus 14 both the sides. Okay, this is dividing. Or you can multiply with minus 1 by 14. Whatever logic you guys want to use, you can use that. Or you can transpose, whatever it is, doesn't matter. But understand the concept. All of this has to be clear though. Okay, so this and this gets cancelled, and we have negative, negative. 1s are 2s are. So y is equal to 1 by 40. And therefore x will be equal to what, guys? Let me substitute it where? Equation 2, I guess. Sub y n not to 1. So we have 2x plus 12 by 40 is equal to 1 by 2. A bit of simplification. So we have 6 and, sorry, it will go with 4, right? 4 3s are 4 10s are, that's it. So 2x is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 10. LCM is 10, so I'll multiply and divide with 5. So we have x is equal to 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 by 10, so 2 by 10. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so x is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so rickshaw is slower, right? Makes sense. So end of it, what is that we have? Speed of bus would be 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, we converted everything to r, remember. And speed of rickshaw is 10 kilometers per hour. Is that correct? That looks to be small. I hope I didn't do anything wrong. We have 2 by 10, 2x. Okay, looks correct though. Okay, let's check this out. This is, where is it? Yeah, here we have 10 and this is 40. 10 1 by 5, 12 by 40. Then we have the same expression. Yeah, okay, looks correct only. And now the answer. So here the main thing is the diagram again. Conceptualize, understand what you're trying to do, divide it into cases. This is what is important. Writing it in form of cases. Once you do that, things will be clear. And if, of course, total time is equal to So this is the funda. I think I'll put a star for this as well. Okay, yeah, this is your answer.